Tabriz is one of the most well-known and oldest carpet-producing centers in the world. The first rug-producing workshop was established over 1,000 years ago during the Safavid dynasty. Due to their long history of carpet weaving, the weavers of Tabriz are amongst the most skilled in Persia. Attesting to their pride in producing fine carpets, the master weavers of Tabriz often weave their signature into part of the carpet's border. The design of Tabriz rugs is often floral with a central medallion. The motifs are flowering branches, shrubs, and leaves. In addition to these classic themes, plant and animal motifs also appear in some Tabriz rugs. Tabriz also have subtitles, such as the elegant and refined Tabriz fish, which has tiny geometric fish designs on the border. The pile of Tabriz rugs are wool, silk, or a combination of the two. The fine quality Tabriz rugs are a combination of fine curd wool and silk, which outline lavishly the highlights of the rug.